On average, after every few dozen miles traveled, the axle assembly on trailing stock begins to make audible squeaking noises, which passengers and roadside fans do not like. As a result, this type of equipment is subjected to a running gear cleaning and rebuild alongside road locomotives. In order to complete this procedure, it must be split into multiple steps. Step 1. Disassemble the trailing stock's running gear, and thoroughly inspect the parts that may need to be cleaned. Next, rinse or wipe down any parts that have accumulated dust or debris. After that step has been completed, the last two steps are to reassemble the running gear, and conduct a free rolling test to ensure that the squeaks have been mitigated to zero. Now your trailing stock is ready to roll behind some speedy road locomotion once again.